Look at what we got out here today. Skipped out on the whole last episode of putting the floor in. So today we got to line up the rockers to the rest of the body because somebody bangy cut it and it's all slanted down to the ground there. So got a little bit of work to do to get it to ride level and get the door hung and move on to the other side. Gotta rip that brace off so we can get the door on there.
Nothing's ready yet. She's out.
There it goes.
This ain't no white door, dude.
Couple of young bucks hanging the door.
Now swing it out more so I can get to these bottom ones.
So we got the door to fit where we want it. Now we just gotta line up the rocker. So we gotta drill out little spot weld spots all the way down and get this lined up flush with the floor, these two lips here. So we're gonna get Dad with the welder over here. We'll put spot weld and work our way down. We'll do one at a time and work our way down. Get this nice and level. Okay, well, I'm gonna drill out my next spot weld here. Woo! Got the bangies that worked on it before us. Pretty bad. DJ's working pretty hard over here. It's fun drilling at an angle. A little bit of fire. What do you think, Dad? How's it look? So as you can see, the door and the quarter panel that someone previously patched doesn't line up at all. So what we went and did was put the brand new rocker on the brand new floor so that we know everything is true to that. Nice and flush for the top lip and nice and flush on the bottom lip. So now we've just got to work this rear quarter and the bottom of the door that somebody replaced. This door is a real humdinger. Somebody did a nice job on that. Some angle iron and gave a drunk guy a welder. Attacking the floor to this rear quarter that somebody really messed up. So we're gonna have a big old boo-boo to fix here. Somebody else's mistake. So a nice tight fit. The rear quarter into the new rocker. We finish up getting the driver's side rocker on today to the new floor pan, tied in the whole rear quarter. On the next episode, we're gonna be working on cutting this rotted out floor here and putting the new one in with the new wheel well.